Let me share my screen. Okay, here's my simulation drone project. As you can see my code, we'll go over that after we have tested it out. Okay, there's two parts to it. So let's get started. Okay. It starts with this cover page. Okay, so it's gonna ask me where I wanna go, if I wanna go a destinated route. If I click yes, it'll take me down. If I click no, it will take me down a different route, but let's click yes and see where it takes us, right? Okay. So it's gonna take us down the path that's already been set. It's gonna say hello or welcome in each city, right? And then after that, it will ask us a question if we want to review our flight and show us the path we took. And we're going to click yes. But if we decided we didn't want to, there's a limit on time and it would just go back to the beginning of the game for you. And you would start all over, right? So if you don't want to review it, but we're going to review it, so we're going to click B, right? So after that, it's going good. You're reviewing your path. Takes a little while. Okay, so after you've reviewed your path, it's going to ask you a different one. So it's going to show you how many miles you went from each city to each city, right? And the whole point of this project was to calculate the efficiency. So we're going to see the process. So each mile is 0.05. So we're going to times that by the miles and we get the result that you see on the screen right now. And then it's going to ask us the same question. Let's put no, so we don't do the same path again and see where it takes us, right? So let's click here, no, but you don't have to put no. You can put anything besides yes and no to this right here where it tells you, it asks you what city you would like to go to. And this here, you don't necessarily have to go on the flight, on the path that was set by the teacher, right? Or by whoever. So we can click, let's say 5 now. Let's go back to Washington on 1. Okay, so you see, it has the set destination. And then it has the one where you're allowed to pick. So let's stop it there. All right, and I'll talk a little bit about the code, or I won't talk about it, but I'll show it to y'all guys. Okay, so you click start, drone picture, then it switches, then it asks you whatever, the flight attendant voice, then the sound, of course. And then it comes to this is a scenario right here where if you click yes, my bad, it would run this whole part for you, right? And then if here's another, like, what would we call it, a different path, right? So if you click B, it would take you here and it would show you the path right here. But if you didn't, then it would just show you the miles, right? And then coming down here, it would ask you to take a different route. And that's if you wanted to see how we calculated it. And that's up here, right? So if you click the space bar, it would take you down this route and show you. And then it would ask you the question again right here. It would take you, so it would show you this and then it would take you back here. So you have the option to retake the path that was already pre-programmed, or you can click no and it would take you down here and you would be able to fly to the cities that were already in the program, right? But you don't have to be efficient with anything. You can go from city to city without any problems, right? Yeah, well, that's my small little project for you. Thanks for watching.